Most developers assume decorators run top to bottom. The actual order will surprise you. When Python sees stacked decorators, it applies them bottom to top. The decorator closest to the function is applied first. Think of it like wrapping a gift, inner layer before outer. With A on top and B just above the function, Python first wraps the function with B, then wraps that result with A. But at runtime, the order flips. Calling the function triggers the outermost wrapper first. A runs then calls into B's wrapper, which finally reaches the original function. The last decorator applied becomes the first wrapper invoked. The key insight: decoration time and call time move in opposite directions. Python applies decorators once at module load, bottom to top. At each call, execution unwinds top to bottom. Interviewers are testing whether you can separate these two phases. Here's the proof. Log and timing decorators are stacked over greet. Python applies timing first. It's closest to the function. Then wraps with log. Calling greet triggers log first, then timing, then the original. The output confirms it. Log enters first and exits last, timing is nested inside. Decorators apply bottom to top at decoration time. Execute top to bottom at call time. Master both phases and you'll ace this question. Follow for more Python deep dives. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.